Here's an important article for posterity. Nothing I can do about what's going on other than to report what I see. Record leap in CO2 fossil fuel fears of accelerating global warming. Record leap in CO2 fuels fears of accelerating global heating. Sounds like a feedback loop to me. CO2 in the air hit new high last year with scientists concerned natural land and ocean carbon sinks are weakening. I can see why. The natural land and ocean sinks that remove CO2 from the air are weakening as a result of global heating, which could form a vicious circle and drive temperatures up even faster. If that's not enough, another year of unrelenting fossil fuel burning, despite the pledge of the world's countries in 2023 to transition away from those dirty fossil fuels. Wildfires, incidentally, wildfire emissions in America reached historic levels in 2024, which was the hottest year yet recorded. A third factor, the possibility that the planet's carbon sinks are beginning to fail. Carbon sinks, like the Amazon, of course, it produces more CO2 now than it absorbs. Amazing. Carbon sinks were already known to be less effective in El Nino years, such as 2023, 2024, when changes in Pacific winds and ocean currents led to higher global air temperatures. If that's not enough, Dr. Osana Terasnova, a World Meteorological Organization senior scientist officer, said, quoting, "This is concerns that terrestrial and ocean CO2 sinks are becoming less effective, which will increase the amount of CO2 that stays in the atmosphere, thereby accelerating global warming." I have to say these things. My name is Ed Evans. Today, I believe, is October 16. Continuing, rising CO2 emissions not only impact the global climate today, but will do so for hundreds of years because of the gas's long lifetime in the atmosphere, the WMO says, World Meteorological Organization. Incidentally, David Archer in his book, The Long Thaw, comments on the next ice age, which apparently we have canceled with our CO2 emissions. Atmospheric concentrations of methane and nitrous oxide, the second and third important greenhouse gases related to human activities, also rose to record levels in 2024. What else can we do? Well, we can plant seeds, not poison. Help the pollinators. That's about all I can say. Good luck.